this film, I'm going to show you the films that I made earlier in the summer, which are about cooking with berries and the enjoyment I have of eating these berry desserts. And so I'll show you step by step of the raspberries and the bramble berries that I've used and how I put them into a yummy dessert. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Elizabeth and this is Samuel. And in Australia it is summertime and we have raspberries in our garden, and so we thought we would make a raspberry dessert. And it is really easy. So we're going to put some chia in it and coconut cream. And so for some people that have dairy allergies, well, coconut cream works, but if you really like dairy, you could have yogurt in it or real cream. So depending on how rich you wish it to be. Why don't we get started? We'll have to wash the berries from the garden just in case there's a few little bugs and leaves in there. The coconut cream in. I do say don't go cheap on the cream. You must buy, if you really want good flavour, I have noticed the better brands, a little bit dearer is a better choice, better flavour. Alright, so we're going to put the raspberries in towards the end. And I do say the chia should be in at the very end. For sweetening, you could put honey or regular sugar, anything you like is sweetening, but with our stevia that we're using, it's so sweet, more sweet than regular sugar, that I'm only just putting the absolute tiniest pinch. After you've mixed it a bit, obviously taste it, see if you like how sweet it is. Samuel, let's find a spoon. Can you stir that in real gentle? Let's move those bowls. With this, we'll have a half a teaspoon of natural vanilla essence. I would say I've got 2 cups of raspberries to 400 mils of coconut cream. And I've left a little bit aside just to put on top, okay? So we will go sort of a pinky white, off-white colour. Okay, can you stir that in, Samuel? When you deal with the chia, you have to work quickly because it goes lumpy, and then you want it to stir in evenly. So that's why I said that should be the last ingredient that you deal with. And then we like to put it in the fridge because that will help thicken it a bit faster, and when you're ready to eat it, it'll be firm like custard. It's very healthy, easy to make, takes about 10 minutes. So when making this dessert with any berry that you like, you can add regular full cream, which can be nice with the yogurt, but I've again used coconut cream. I have used the other, it's very tasty. So as you see, it is really easy to make. You're basically just stirring in most of the ingredients, and I've put half a cup of psyllium husks. Now when you use the psyllium, I do advise that you pre-grind the psyllium because it'll taste very sandy otherwise. So we just fine it up a little bit more and it'll help thicken and taste better with the texture by grinding. And remember that with the stevia or the xylitol, it is a lot sweeter than normal sugar, so you need to keep that in mind when you add it. Added a little bit of the berries to add through it, and then I've kept, as you would have seen, I kept some berries just to stir in. And so I will put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes and it should set quite fast. and you can freeze it as well as an ice cream. You can add any sort of berry that you like. Earlier we have the berry season, and so that's what I'm working with, and we will have them fresh and we'll have them with any dessert that I can think of, and I like to make berry smoothies as well.